As you can see, this tube has gone bad. This is the vacuum modulator tube. These tubes are going to be my replacement. I'm going to decide on which one I want to use. I'm thinking on this one. It's stronger, it has these little threads inside that make it stronger. But it's also pretty thick, so I may not be able to get it to fit. This one is a lot more like the one I already have, but seeing that the one I already have is all cracked and dusted, maybe I shouldn't use it. I have 1 foot of each, and I'll see what I decide. I had to rip out both chairs and the center console in order to get at this access panel. I don't know if you can see in there. See that little metal? Yeah, I can see it right there. Right in there. This thing right here. The vacuum modulator to the transmission.